back to TI Production. Today I am going to share my personal experience about reuse content. If you are new to YouTube or you have YouTube channel, please watch this video without a skip. This video will be very important to you. So friends, my YouTube channel was monetized 17 August 2020. But I received an email from YouTube on 16 October 2020, 2 months after, while I was working on my YouTube channel. Now you can see the email on the screen that I have received. It says your channel is no longer eligible to monetize. Then I click on the monetization icon on my YouTube channel. It said that monetization disabled due to reuse content. What is reuse content? I didn't know what is reuse content mean until I received the email from you. I searched about reuse content in YouTube. Finally, I found a video. It said if you find someone's video on social media and download it and upload it on your YouTube channel without any editing, you will definitely get this reuse content problem. I made that mistake. I uploaded ringtones, WhatsApp status videos, free footage, clips. Finally, my monetization disabled. So friends, finally I did some editing and deleted some ringtones on my YouTube channel. But I also made one mistake. I didn't deleted ringtone videos that had the most views. So friends, after 1 month, 15 November 2020, I applied again. And 2 days after I received this email, again my application was rejected, and the date given to apply again is 17 December 2020. Then I deleted all ringtones videos, free footage videos, and WhatsApp status video. I didn't keep any of them. Then I did deep search in reuse content on YouTube, and here 3 channels that helped me lot. Top 4 user, Basigar betting tips, Ceylon lifestyle. These 3 channels video helped me lot. Then I edited my channel about section, description, and my channel name. Exactly 1 month after and date given to reapply on 17 December 2020. I applied again, and on 18 December 2020 I received like this email from YouTube. So friends, finally I am so happy to see this email. So guys, you are making following mistakes like uploading ringtones, WhatsApp videos, free footage videos without giving any education value. You will definitely have to face this problem too. So guys, hope you find something new in this video. If you are like, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.